What's up, creator? It's Josh. I got a comment from a viewer recently asking me, when you delete the project file, does it also delete all associated media clips, effects, and graphics from your drives? And I explained that deleting the Premiere Pro save file does not delete the media you used from your computer. So then I started wondering, what if I did want to delete the media in my project from my computer? What would I have to do? After some searching, I found that this is indeed possible and that you can do it in literally 2 easy steps. Over here, I have an example video that I threw together using some old scrap footage. Let's just take a quick look at that. Okay, so you get the point. Now I'm recording on 2 screens, so that's why when I go over here, you can see the other screen. See? Magic. Anyway, here's the media that I used for the video. If you have a very messy folder, such as this one where I just basically dumped all my footage in, even some stuff I didn't actually use. But anyway, it's very easy to do. Fair word of warning though, before I even show you how to do this, because when you delete the files this way, they don't end up in your computer's recycle bin. They're literally lost forever. Okay, so word of caution there. Anyways, so the way we do that is we just select the items that we want to delete from our computer, and then I'll right click one of them, and then I'll click on Make Offline. You'll get this one prompt that says media files remain on disk or media files are deleted, and that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and then I'm gonna think about it. Am I sure? Yes. Now Adobe's gonna make you think about it one last time. This operation cannot be undone. So I'll click OK here, and we can see that it says media offline, and that's because all the files are no longer connected to the original media. The media has been deleted. Remember, I had the messy folder up. Now it's basically empty. There were 3 videos in here, and all that's left is this one file that didn't get deleted, and that's just because it wasn't even in Premiere, so I couldn't select it. Now suppose you wanted to delete the project after you deleted all this media like this. I have a video that'll show you how to do that right over here. Thanks for watching. This was Josh from Digital Media Theory. Bye!